Hello, hello, hello YouTube. Welcome to the moving vlog. So very exciting update. Matt and I found an apartment in the building that I currently live in, which is exactly what we were hoping and like quite literally manifesting. I'm so excited, making a move in 3 weeks, and I told you guys I would bring you along in the process. So I admittedly have already started packing, as you can see. So I figured I would kind of show you guys where I'm at now because there is still a lot to do. I will show you the kitchen. We gotta do a lot in the kitchen. Yeah.
I don't think so.
They're like, you've spent $7,000. Here's a free plastic shitty cup. Excited about a move? As you can see, this entire thing needs to get packed up. We've got spices, cookbooks, a lot more spices, snack things, but hand towels have been packed. A few serving platters and stuff, as well as some dishes, or glasses, I guess, as you can see, have been packed. But we've still got dishes, the microwave, cutting board, piece of pizza. And so there's still a lot to do in the kitchen. I mean, these are still fully stocked with food. We got food in here, we've got a bunch of things in here and here. So a lot of work needs to be done in the kitchen. But as you can see behind me, the TV stand is totally empty. The bookshelf is gone. You can see a bunch of bins and boxes. That's where I'm starting to kind of collect all of the stuff. And I will show you guys the hallway closet because some progress has been made there. So the hallway closet is in great shape. I mean, literally just my toolbox, a few things, all those bins are out where I showed you. I'm gonna like end up putting my clothing in like garbage bags and just bringing it up in the hangers. But you can see there's really not much left in the closet. There is still a lot to do. I'm honestly thinking that maybe packing up some stuff in the kitchen might be the next smart move, like some dry goods stuff. So yeah, honestly, I just wanted to give you guys a little update, show you where we're at so that you get a sense of, I guess 3 weeks out. This is what we're looking like. We've definitely gotten started and made some progress, but there is still a lot to be done. And we know we're gonna bring the black hutch. I'm gonna try and sell the island. So lots of decisions too to be made about furniture and all of that, but it's all very exciting and starting to come together. Another day, another packing update. More has been packed. If you guys can see there, those 2 bins are like nostalgia stuff. It's like photo albums and all that kind of stuff. Went through all of that last night and got rid of so many cards. I hang on to like handwritten notes. Handwritten notes are like my love language. And made a dent, so got down the big case for my iMac. Whenever you hold on to those kinds of things, you're always like, is it worth it? And then you move and you're like, wow, I'm so happy that I have the carrying case for my iMac. But I've got this entire duffel filled with sweaters, and then that is a bin of winter clothes. And I just ordered some like vacuum seal bags so that I can vacuum seal my sweaters to hopefully free up some room in the duffel. So those should come in soon, and I will let you know how those work. Obviously I want to document this vlog so that I have it and can look back on for Matt and I moving into our first place together, but I also want to be sharing the things that I'm learning along the way as I pack. And one of the definite things that I recommend is get started early, chip away, do a little bit every single day. Even if it's going through one small area and just getting rid of things, do that today. And I'm realizing I haven't gone through one area yet today, so I'm gonna take just a few minutes to do that. So I am trying to get ready for my morning workout and figured since I'm crying, now would be a great time to take the vlog out because while moving can be very fun and exciting, it can also be equal parts overwhelming and emotional, and I don't just want to show the highlight reel part of it here. You guys know that I'm a big proponent of the anti-highlight reel, and so I want to include this as part of the vlog because this is the reality of moving and making a major life transition, is that it's so overwhelming because I love this space so much. This apartment has been just such a tremendous physical representation of so much growth and change and transformation in my life. I moved into this place with this huge wall of windows, which is just one thing. Like, I'm literally anxious to leave this place with this incredible natural lighting. Like, I'm a content creator, and as silly as this might seem to some of you guys watching, natural light is really important for creating good lighting and then therefore good quality content. And I feel super anxious that the fact that this new place has a lot less windows, I feel nervous about how that's gonna impact my content, which then makes me feel like embarrassed and like silly, but it's the reality. Also anxious that like the lack of natural light is gonna impact my mental health and not feel as good. And I'm just sad to leave this place, and I'm so excited to move in with Matt. I'm so excited to really like take this next step in our journey and like start our family, but it's really overwhelming to be packing this place up because this place served as this is the first place I ever fully lived on my own, without a roommate, without a partner. And this place was where I moved after my heart was shattered. And this has been the apartment that I have picked myself back up and healed myself after many heartbreaks, after many life transitions, and going through the pandemic, getting a puppy. I just have so many beautiful memories of healing and growing and coming into my own in this place, and I feel just so sad to say goodbye. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys because I think that it's so easy to, you know, look at these moving vlogs and think that everything is like butterflies and rainbows, and the reality is that while it is so exciting, it carries so much emotion too, and I feel just so overwhelmed and anxious about the natural lighting, and I wish that I didn't, but I do. And so just wanted to include that as a little moment of realness. It's been a few days. It is Monday night. We are about 2 weeks out, a little bit more from the move, and I figured I would show you guys some progress. So this is honestly like a catastrophe zone area. You can see so many boxes, bins. I had to literally move the television over because all of these bins and stuff were taking up so much space. You can see the shelves are getting cleared out in the kitchen. This hutch we are gonna bring with us, and this is basically all empty except for the stuff on it, as well as some food in the cabinets. And we've created another situation of stuff over here. So, as well as honestly the bedroom. The bedroom is quite catastrophic. We've got a lot of bags and stuff like that I have started to pack up, and as you can see, the dresser I have started to totally pack up as well, taking all the drawers out as they get emptied. I still want to have some clothes available to like wear and stuff like that, since I'll be here for another 2 weeks, so I didn't want to pack up like all my clothes, but really wanted to make some progress. And honestly, the place that I still need to make a ton of progress is in the closet. All the stuff though that's hanging, I'm just gonna put garbage bags around it and bring in the hangers themselves. I went through all of my shoes on the bottom, on the floor of the closet, to make sure that I still wanna keep them. I've got all my frames basically gathered along the windowsill in here, so it's like, if it's not packed yet, it is totally organized. The only place that I have not touched yet at all is the bathroom, but the best part of the bathroom is that everything is literally under the sink in the cabinets in bins already. So like it's already ready to be moved. It's just a matter of me taking the time to kind of go through and see whether there's anything that I can get rid of. We are continuing to make progress. I'm gonna miss this place. This big, big, big bedroom. Like, you guys, this bedroom is huge. Huge. So I actually just recently contacted the property manager of the apartment yesterday and found out that our apartment might not be ready on the day that we're planning to move in. And while that typically wouldn't be that big a deal, I typically would be like, oh yeah, more time to pack and everything. I have been in such go, go, go mode and have been making sure to just get everything set up. So like, I already called National Grid to have my electric moved over on what should be our moving date, and that might not be our moving date anymore. So since things are a little bit up in the air, I am going to end this video now, and as you guys are watching this, I should already be moved into my apartment. So stay tuned, because next week I will have another moving vlog for you guys with more updates, more moving, more packing, and all the things. So thanks so much for watching. If you guys like this one, be sure to hit the thumbs up and hit the bell to subscribe so you don't miss out on more moving content, because what I am so excited to bring you guys along with is the unpacking and getting settled into the new apartment with Matt. So be sure to stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.